You are watching the video training presentation for List View Controls produced by the World Software Corporation, makers of WorldDocs. In this video, we're going to focus on the controls available to you with the traditional list view of the information in your file list. The list view has been around for many previous versions of WorldDocs as opposed to the new tile view, which has just been released with WorldDocs GX4. To add information to your column header, simply left-click in an open area of the header bar. We have cabinet fields, date fields, email fields, retention information. Let's say in this instance we'd like to add information about the date created. Select Dates, Created, and that field header will be applied. It's very easy to move the position of any one of these column headers by dragging it to its new position. I'm just holding my left mouse button down, dragging, and releasing. To return it to its previous position, hold your mouse button over the column header, hold your left mouse button down, and drag back to the original position. To resize the column header display according to the best fit, hover over the button on the far right-hand side, left-click, and WorldDocs will automatically resize the columns. To easily sort the information within your file list, just hover over the Date Modified field, for instance. If you left-click on that header button, it will apply a descending sort in this case. And to change to an ascending sort, simply click again on that same column header and it will change the sort order. We can also sort alphabetically on the column description by just left-clicking on that. Your 5 previous sorts are going to be stored for you under the Change Sort button. Simply left-click on it. Your sorts are available to you. And if you're going to be moving back and forth between different sorts within your file list, this is an easy way to accomplish that. If you would like to remove a column header, just hover over the column header button, hold your left mouse button down, and drag down into your file list and release. Customizing the display of information in your file list is accomplished by clicking on the Customize button. Line fonts, colors, spacing. And if you'd like to do something as simple as change or remove the striping in your file list, remove that checkbox. To apply it, check the box. I'm going to run a search now for the word agreement. And you can see WorldDocs has identified agreement in the document descriptions within the document, as well as some content. I'm going to go up to the Customize Gear icon here in the toolbar. Line fonts, colors, and spacing. And what I'm going to do now is set WorldDocs so that text hits within the description or within the body of the document here in the preview are no longer the salmon color, but I'll make them something obvious by going to change value color like this bright green. And here I'm simply showing you how easy it is to customize the display of information within the WorldDocs GX4 interface. When you're finished with any of your customization, click on the OK button and the changes will be applied within the WorldDocs screen. To make the list view your default view, simply go up to the icon, looks like the gear, choose Make This My Favorite View, and then all of your search results will be displayed for you in the list view as opposed to the tile view. This will conclude your introduction to list view controls in WorldDocs GX4.